To do the traps, you're going to need your foam roller, spiky foam roller, and what you do is, this is another one of the ones where we're going to basically use this to pull the tissue off the rest of the body. So this is going to go in the corner of between your shoulder and your neck. You're going to start by sitting yourself up ever so slightly, putting the foam roller sort of, or your shoulder halfway up the foam roller, and then kind of pushing your body onto the foam roller. Then you're going to let it sink in and gradually push the foam roller out at a 45-degree angle from the line of your head. So you might need to roll and adjust just a little bit, but pushing just a little bit of pressure down onto the foam roller here. Let the head come back, relax, and breathe. Still keep the pressure on with this opposite hand, just at that first point of resistance. And fairly deep breathing with this one. As the tissue relaxes, then you'll see that the foam roller will drop further down towards the ground. Go up a little bit with this one. You can probably explore just like this sort of a movement, so sideways movement, just to get a little bit jostling. Explore different little pressure like vectors, pushing it in different directions. We won't be too far off that 45-degree angle. As everything starts to release and relax, the tissue will pull off the rest of the body, and all that stress will melt away.